All right, guys, so we got some leaks here. So Mcfarlane Toys is going to be giving us the Batman action figures based off of the Batman film that's coming out, with Batman being played by Robert Pattinson. And these are going to be 7-inch action figures. Now, I don't know which one's going to be Walmart exclusive or what. This appears to be just Wave 1. It's just a description. So we're going to be getting the DC Batman movie 7-inch figure Batman. We're also going to be getting the DC Batman movie 7-inch figure, the Riddler. So really want to see what that one looks like. We're also going to be getting Catwoman. That's another one I'm really excited for. And then we're going to be getting Bruce Wayne as a drifter, which is pretty awesome. I mean, there is photos of him. I'll throw it in on the screen of him as a drifter. And then we're also going to be getting this one says here, DC Batman 12-inch action figure, Batman version 1. And I think this is a Walmart exclusive. So I'm not sure what that one is, but we're getting a 12-inch version, which is pretty cool. And then we're getting vehicles. We're getting the Drifter motorcycle. So that's him, obviously, with his Drifter when he's on his motorcycle, which, I'm pretty sure McFarlane is going to eventually give us the Batmobile and then the motorcycle that he does use in the film as Batman. And I'm pretty sure down the line he'll probably throw in the Penguin, maybe some of those thugs as well, with the makeup that kind of look like the Joker. So this is actually really big news. I'm not sure when these are going to be coming out. No photos, obviously. They're doing reshoots on the movie right now. So really interested to see how this turns out. Let me know what you guys think about this. Thumbs up the video. We will see you soon. Later, guys.